Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to stream PS5 games on Discord mobile. Now to do this you must have your Discord account on your phone and you must be logged in, and if you're done simply open the Discord app, and after that simply go to your profile section, and from here choose setting on the above right corner and scroll down and find connections and simply click on connections, and on the right corner click on add connections, and from here choose PlayStation Network, and once you click on it choose your PS5 or PS4. Now we are doing PS5, so click on PS5 and get started and click on continue, and it will take you to sign in your PlayStation account. Now as you can see I have signed in with my account and I click on sign in. And on this section simply choose accept, and once you click on accept it will come back to the Discord, and choose here authorize and continue. Simply click on it, authorize and continue, and if this issue comes in front of you simply click on continue and retry again to sign in with your account. And if it is not working simply choose any VPN to sign in with your account. As you can see, that's it. Head over to a voice channel to try it out. Chat with Discord server, chat your PS5. Simply click on done and come back and click on home section, and from here choose any of your server. Let's say I have this server, and click on voice channels general and join voice. As you can see I have joined the voice, so now you can share the screen and stream your PS5 on Discord mobile.